we are an established party in Goa. We may not have currently MLAs in the assembly. And we are going to fight the assembly elections. We know for sure that there is a big issue of defeating the communal forces, and all secular and like-minded parties will have to think alike. As far as NCP is concerned, we are ready to ally and to have adjustments with all secular-minded parties, including the Congress. It is up to the Congress and other parties to see how best we can work together to be able to defeat the BJP, MGP in Goa. And we also feel that there is a lot of parties which are willing to work with each other. Many people are also in touch with us. We are also in touch with people. Let us see as the things progress.
Did the NCP lose initiative in Goa, sir? Did the NCP lose initiative in Goa?
No, I don't think so. Yes, in between there have been some setbacks, but by and large, the NCP, the rank and file is very much there and intact. And many new people are also willing to join the NCP. We have been discussing with them in the last few days. And I think by the time the election comes, we will have reasonable presence to be able to contest and to win certainly a few MLAs in the Goa Assembly. As I said, even the MGP, Mr. Davlikar's statement I read yesterday in some newspaper, which said that Goa, no party can get a majority, that he meant the BJP. In this kind of a situation, it is very clear that Goa is in for coalition politics like it has traditionally been. Therefore, it is important that if we want to defeat the BJP, MGP combination in Goa, all secular and like-minded parties must work together to be able to achieve this objective.